In this BDRSuite demo, I'll show you how to configure backup for Microsoft 365 Teams and how to restore the data. BDRSuite offers comprehensive backup solution for Microsoft 365 Teams channel and chats. With features like flexible storage and multiple data recovery options, BDRSuite ensures that your Microsoft 365 data is secure and easily recoverable. To get started, head over to the BDRSuite website and click Start Free Trial. Download and install BDRSuite on Windows or Linux machines, or even as a Docker container. For a step-by-step video on how to install and set up a backup server, check out the link in the description box. Be sure to fill in the form provided for technical assistance. Once the installation is complete, open the BDRSuite Backup Server console. Enter the username, password, and click Sign In. You can now experience BDRSuite's full-featured version in your environment with a 30-day free trial. As a first step, you need to configure a backup repository to store your backup data. Navigate to the Infrastructure Backup Repository menu. You can either use on-premise or remote storage like DAS, NAS, SAN, or your own public cloud storage such as Amazon S3, Azure Blob, Google Cloud, and S3-compatible storage like Wasabi, MinIO, and Backblaze. The Microsoft 365 organization has to be added as a data source to the BDRSuite Backup Server. Navigate to the SaaS Applications tab and click on the Data Sources menu and choose Microsoft 365 Organization. On this page, click on the Add Microsoft 365 Organization button. You'll need to enable authorization for BDRSuite to access your account. Once authorized, the necessary APIs for backup and recovery will be enabled. So select the Azure Cloud environment that your Microsoft 365 account is located in. Next, choose a method to add a Microsoft 365 organization. The recommended approach is to use the automatic process, and for this, make sure you have a Microsoft 365 account with global administrative privileges. Click on Next to proceed. Copy the one-time authorization code. Then click the provided URL to enter your Microsoft 365 credentials and complete BDRSuite authorization. On the page that opens, enter or paste the copied code and click Next. Enter the email or phone associated with your Microsoft 365 account that has global administrative privileges, and then click Next. Enter the password and click on Sign In. Click Continue to proceed. Once this process is done, you can close this page. Go back to the BDRSuite Backup Servers console, check the box, and click on Next. The Microsoft 365 organization details will be automatically fetched. Enter a name for the organization. Click on Save. Click on Save to confirm. Once the organization is added, it will be listed as a data source that will let you perform backup and restore. Next, we can begin the backup job configuration process. Navigate to the Backup tab. Configure Backup, Microsoft 365. For this demo, I will show how to configure backup for the Teams, and you can check the description box for backup and restore of other Microsoft 365 objects. On the Basic Job Details page, specify a name for the backup job. Select the Backup Repository type, then choose the backup repository name and give a backup job description. Once all the basic job details are entered, click on Next. Choose the Microsoft 365 organization for backup and click on Start Backup Configuration. On this page, you can select the Teams entities you want to backup. The Channel Files tabs are by default selected for backup. You can also include chats by clicking on the checkbox. You can choose to backup data from all teams or specific teams. I have chosen the specific teams options, and the list of all the teams will be listed. You can either select all or just choose the specific teams. You can also perform search operation using the search option. Once done, click on Next. Configure Teams or its folder exclusions, if any. You can also filter out Teams files to include or exclude from backup. Once done, click Next. BDRSuite offers flexible backup scheduling options. Select the backup frequency for incremental backups. For this demo, I've configured daily backups at 9 p.m. Only the initial backup is full. Afterwards, it is forever incremental backups. You can also set up advanced schedule settings. Now click Next. By default, compression is enabled, which helps you save storage space. Now click Next. Retention is disabled by default, so all teams' data and increments will be retained. You can enable the retention, and for teams, you can specify the retention period by days or versions. Once configured, click Next. Finally, review your backup job configuration. If you want to run the backup job immediately, you can check the box and click Save. Confirm once again by clicking on Save. You will be redirected to the List of Backup Jobs page, and the configured backup job will be listed. Here, you can click on the In Progress icon to view the backup progress. Once the backup is completed, you can edit, check status, view reports, and manage backup jobs from here. Click the Reports icon to view the backup job level report. Next, let us look into the recovery options. Navigate to the Recovery menu and click on Restore Backup Data. Click on the Restore button alongside the backup job from which you want to restore data. Choose the type Restore Teams and click on Start Restore Configuration. Select the time range to view the available restore points. I've chosen Recent Success, which displays the restore point of the latest successful backup. Select the restore point you want to restore. Now click on Next. Here on this page, we need to choose the restore data. You can select to restore the teams. All the backed up teams will be listed, and you can choose the one you wish to restore. You can also search the specific team using the search icon. Next, you can choose to restore a channel. Now to restore a channel, we need to select the specific team from which the channel will be restored. For that, click on Choose a Team to Restore to proceed. Select the team, and you can also search for the specific team using the search option given. Then click on Apply. All channels under the selected team will be displayed. You can select the channel you wish to restore, and a search function is available to help you locate it if needed. So the next team entity you can select is the Restore folder or item option. Next, click on Choose Team and Channel to restore. Choose the teams and click on Next. Here on this page, all the channels of the chosen team will be displayed. Now select the channel from which you wish to restore the specific folder or items. Once done, click on Apply. All folders and items will be listed, allowing you to select what you wish to restore. Additionally, you can use the search function to quickly locate specific folders or items. Next up, you can also choose Restore Chats option. Now click on Choose Team and Channel to restore. Choose the team and click Next. Now select the channel and click on Apply. The chats will be listed. You can select the chat you wish to restore. Alright, so these were the different teams data that we can restore. The already chosen restore point is taken here, but in case you want to modify, you can do the same using this option. For this demo, I am choosing to restore folder items. So once done, click on Next. Here on this page, you need to select the target team and channel. Select the target team, either the original team or another existing team. Similarly, choose the target channel, which can be the original channel or another existing one. The folders and items will be restored to their respective targets based on your selections. Finally, give a restore description and click on Next. Review the restore configuration and click on Restore. Click on OK, proceed to confirm. You will be redirected to the Restore Backup Data page. You can click the Progress icon to view the restore progress. Click on the Reports icon to view the recovery report. Once the restore is successful, you will find the restored data in the specified location. Now it's your turn to try it out. Visit our website to start your free trial. And if you need any assistance, contact BDR support. Thanks for watching.